target properly, and that's what we've just learned previously. Now we're going to learn the connection between upper body, club, and arms. And so I'm going to put this right in there. And basically the only way you're going to be able to move this ball is by turning your shoulders. Your arms can't do it by himself. So good, as you can see, his shoulders begin to turn. And it's a very slight, small motion, so go ahead and take a turn. Good. As you can notice here, and this is a checkpoint for all of us with our short game, is where does our chest point? His chest is pointing right down at his hand, meaning his club is in front of him. If I were to move just my arms, you would see my hands are now well behind and disconnected from my chest. We want that connection all times. We want the hands in front of the chest going back, and we want the hands in front of the body, the lower body and the upper body, because we've married the two going through. So go ahead and take this a practice stroke. We're going to have you shoulders and then legs and arms. Very good. And as you can see, he's real quiet with the wrist, which allows for club face control. Good. You literally want to hit these shots where we're just barely getting them on the green. And a good frame of reference there is you're going to use your practice strokes again to gauge distance, just like we did with the long putts last week. Your practice strokes help gauge distance for the shots. So we're going to work today on connecting the club to your turn and your pivot, and we're going to work on club face control further. So let's start hitting some shots and we'll get going, guys. Dave, you can go to the far end. Good. For you, just a little bit more weight toward the front. Marry the pivot of the lower body and the upper body going back. Good. Try to really focus on just getting that ball to just barely land on the green and roll out. So a little bit more weight forward.
This close, it's almost going to be like a putting.
It really is. We're using less wrist and we're letting the turn hit this shot. The club and arms are just following the pivot. Very good. And so here, checkpoint there. When you got to your finished position, your hands were right in front of both your legs and your chest. So that's a really good, good indication that the club was moving with your